Today we'll show you how to export all password from Google Chrome to your PC. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and go to here to 3 points and go now to password and autofile. Okay, if you don't have this, just go to settings and go to autofile and password, and now go here to Google Password Manager. Okay, after this, just you need to go to the settings and you will find here export password. Okay, after you're done using the password file that is in others with the device and they can see your password. Okay, just here now click to download file and just only one click, just like this, and here you will choose like Chrome password, and you need like Microsoft Excel to open this as a file. Okay, just now we need to go to the download and click like this and just like save. Okay, now go to show in password, and finally here you find this, just click and you will be find your password. Sorry, I can't open this because okay, just guys don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.